In this 1-minute video series, we are going to see about the topic called, for what reason the LPG cylinder having its bottom hole, you know, what for it, this bottom hole is made for. Now we will see about the science behind. I will straight away move into the topic. I don't want to waste your precious time, so that only this 1-minute video series is introduced, guys. Every LPG cylinder have its bottom hole because, in case of any water spillage, in the house or nearer to the location of LPG cylinder, it will lie for a long time, and it will not dry it out quickly, due to that gas leakage may possible if they start rusting on it. To avoid that, if hole at the bottom of cylinder is made, the water accumulated at bottom of cylinder will dry it out quick by contact with air, so that it will prevent from gas leakage and safety problem towards this issue. So, every household equipment having a science behind on it. It's interesting, guys. I think you surely get some information about this topic. If it's so, please subscribe to Green Signal. Thanks for watching.